1 year ago, I built this. This is a 900-degree racing controller, and it was the first full rotation racing controller on the internet since the Namco JogCon in 1998. I made a video about it and uploaded it to YouTube. The video blew up and got a massive number of views, around 1.4 million. I honestly had no idea how many people out there wanted a controller like this. A lot of people recreated my design, and some even made their own modifications to it. But my controller had a problem, because it was completely custom made. Building one required electronics knowledge and a 3D printer. Over the past year, I've been busy building websites and applications to make a living alongside my hobbies. About 2 months ago, I was rewatching my old video and thought it was time to create a new version of this controller. I wanted to design it in a way that anyone could build and use. But again, that same barrier stood in the way. Not everyone has a 3D printer or the technical skills. Then I got an idea. It's true that we don't all have 3D printers, but there is one thing we all have: our smartphones. What if, instead of a physical controller, we used our phones? Since I've spent the last year developing apps, building one would be relatively easy for me. Sure, a touchscreen might not give you the exact same tactile feedback as a physical controller, but I told myself I'd just build a small, simple version first. If it was actually fun to play with, I'd keep going. After creating just the gas, brake, and steering wheel, I tested it in the BeamNG game, but I was honestly surprised by how fun it is to play with. Take a look for yourselves. I knew right then it was worth turning into a full app and releasing to the public, but I had a few conditions. It had to be incredibly easy to use, yet highly advanced under the hood. I told myself it had to be the best controller app in the world. After working on this project day and night for a couple of months, I can finally say it's complete. The application consists of 2 parts, a PC desktop app and a mobile app. I designed it so that you do most of the setup on your computer because it's much easier to design your custom templates on a bigger screen. But when I started adding multiple axes to a template, I discovered something surprising. Windows has a legacy limitation where a single standard HID game controller device can expose only up to 8 analog axes. This is the same limitation that companies like Logitech and Thrustmaster have to design around. I solved this entirely inside my app using code, allowing users to build much more advanced controller layouts without worrying about that legacy limit. Now, whenever you add more than 8 axes to your template, my app automatically tells your computer, hey, I'm not just one controller, I'm actually multiple controllers linked together. So no matter how many extra axes or buttons you add, the app dynamically generates additional virtual controllers in the background. This means you can design the ultimate, most advanced gaming template exactly the way you want it, with absolutely no limits. Then another idea hit me. I built a feature into the app that lets you use multiple templates together and seamlessly switch between them live right in the middle of a game. For example, you can create one template for walking around and another specifically for driving. The moment your character gets into a car, just one tap on your phone instantly transforms your screen into your driving template. Another feature I really wanted to include gives you the ability to fine-tune the linearity, sensitivity, and dead zone for every single axis. For the steering wheel, you can even set your preferred degree of rotation or enable an auto center feature so the wheel snaps back to the middle on its own. One of my favorite visual elements in the app is this fully functional car radio. It works just like a real radio. You can actually tune into local radio stations from your country and switch between channels. You can also play any audio files stored directly on your phone. I added this AMP button. When you press it, the audio from your phone is wirelessly streamed over Wi-Fi straight to your PC, playing through your computer's speakers. It is an amazing feeling to listen to your favorite audio or podcasts and cruise around in the Euro Truck Simulator game. Alright, I've recorded some gameplay across a few different games. I'm going to stay quiet now so you can watch and enjoy. If you want to try the app for yourself and download it, you can head over to my website right now at RojX.io.
Calculating route. In 400 yards, turn left. In 400 yards, turn left. Turn left.